This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday where we are talking about Bitcoin, crypto, and Bitcoin pumping possibly to all-time highs right now after we were live last night for 4 hours trying to catch that all-time high, and darn were we close, and darn did Bitcoin get us. But we were there for a historic moment, which was the highest daily candle close ever. So shout out to everyone that was there last night. We had 400 people watching. We had 700 likes last night. That was absolutely bonkers.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome everyone to the stream. Make sure you guys are here. You guys are smashing the likes, subscribing to the channel, sharing the stream out with friends. Also, make sure you guys check out our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Please make sure to use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off at checkout for Cipher. Shout out to Chump Change for the raid. I want to say good morning to everybody. We have Randy, we have Mike Vollmer, Aaron S. Nice to see you. John Germain, Tyler Fitzpatrick. Liked the intro video. Thank you for that. S-Dog, what's up? XRP A11Y, nice to see you. My girl, Alexandra G. Love that woman. Love that woman. Hello, everyone on TikTok. Again, make sure you guys are smashing the like, subscribing, sharing this out with friends. We have Emma in the chat, Randy Tom Allen. I say hello to M2. Nice to see you. Welcome, M2. Ninja, nice to see you too. Welcome. Crypto Ninja. All right. Someone's salty over there. TikTok is crazy. Paul with the heart. Hello, Paul. Nice to see you. Oval, Black Hat. Shout out to Black Hat. That was like modding the sheesh out of last night's stream. I appreciate that more than you know. Mark Smithson is in the chat. Nice to see everybody. Nice to see everyone. Squeaky McGee, Otto, Joe Harvey. Nice to see you as always. Wick and Wifey Wick, good morning. Ogre, shout out to you with the chump raid. Misko, nice to see you, my friends. Crypto Farmer, Dan R. Hello, Dan R. Nice to see you. David Bryan. Oh, King from X over to YouTube. That's spicy. Carl Coke Lamar, nice to see you from the Pickle Gang. Who else? Sawtooth Hiker. Nismo is here. John Foster. Shout out to John and Emma Foster. Daddy-O, nice to see you. Good morning. Nice to see everyone. Crimson. 4J, nice to see you. Kelly Boy, good morning. TD. Rob got it. Good morning. Charles Harris, nice to see everyone. What is that? Something Dreams on X, nice to see you. We have Schnitzel, good morning. David Bryant on X as well, good morning. All right, Lazarus is here. We have Giovanni from X, nice to see you. Scott Rhodes, Gianna, nice to see you. Who else? All right, Chris Fox. Tim Taylor from X, hello. Keen Bean said, don't ignore the ninja. Hiya! Can never ignore the ninja. All right. Guys, we are rapidly approaching $69,000, so we have to check in on Bitcoin. We are pumping. Last night, we were literally there for the highest point yesterday, which was, what was that yesterday? I was so lost in the sauce, guys. I think it was around right here, which was that 68.6 that we were battling last night. Now we are literally back at that level. We're looking here at the minute chart, and we're finally making moves here. We're at 68.7, 68.766. Holy all right, so what was our highest yesterday? This was our range. Oh yeah, no, it was, I remember now, 68.850. That was the major resistance. Okay, so these are our lines on the minute chart that we were watching last night because we were sickos sitting here for 4 hours. And we did, again, experience the highest daily candle close ever, which was highly spicy. But we do see, as we're rising here on the minute, that we did have a red dot that pulled us down a little bit, but it seems like we're working our way back up. The VWAP is spiking, and we do have that money flow coming through, so let's get it. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes. Let's go!
Why don't you like and subscribe?
You heard Piano Maddie B. We also, wow, what a resurgence of that RSI. honestly, I'm happy that we cooled off overnight, though, because I was able to sleep a little bit. But I was very prepared to wake up in the middle of the night and get after this. But we are kind of struggling again with this 68.8. Again, that's where we got to be. That 68.850 just about is where we need to target. And again, it seems like that's a major, major resistance that we're battling right here. And again, our close was around right here somewhere. So yeah, that was pretty wild to watch. Again, the red dot, it seems to be a huge battle. The RSI seems to be turning around now in the negative direction. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin. But yeah, we're really battling with the 69K, man. We really want $69,000. On the minute, there's definitely the VWAP that's trying to battle that zero line. We're moving, though. We're freaking moving. Woo! All right, $68,763. Wow, bing bong to
Bing
that.
bong.
Let's freaking go. I feel like this red dot is kind of being ignored right now. Kind of being ignored. All right. All right, $68,715 is 68.7, maybe the new resistance. I don't know. Because we had these wick highs just now to 68.8. Yeah, 68.8 is still the problem. We need to stay above this line, though. This is at 68.5. Just seems like we keep bouncing off this 68.5, keep trying to defend it. The VWAP is just not looking too snazzy here. We need to pull that up confidently and make sure we can get over that zero line with love, zest, and spice. With love, zest, and freaking spice. We also need this volume to continue coming in. Like this volume, that curvature in volume, we love that. And obviously the price was reflecting all that zest and all that volume. So I would be highly aware of everything going on with Bitcoin. This is so 68.8. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Bitcoin. See, once it taps 68.8, it just rejects. Like we need confidence. Let's get this volume up in here. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. Guys, this might turn into another all-time high watch party. This might turn into another all-time high watch party. I'm not joking with you. I'm not joking with you. This is getting a little bit spicy. 789, 815. Holy poop. 815. Guys. This is getting nuts. 827. 846. 853. Guys, we just saw our new highs for the day. And again, on the minute, oh my gosh, 875, 886. Oh my gosh. Green dot. Oh, come on, Market Cipher, print that green dot. Don't be scared. Let's go. See, the VWAP is trying to pick up. Where's the volume? Come on, balls, you can do it. 68.9. Guys, we just hit 68,900. We are just over $100 away from Bitcoin all-time highs. Holy poop, 941. Guys, we're less than 50. Ah! We're like just over $50 away from Bitcoin all-time highs. Oh my gosh, pump it, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, what is going on? Oh my gosh. Are we going to hit all-time high on the stream right now? Let's go, guys. Let's freaking go. Is it happening? Are we rejecting? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Guys, we're going back to 68.5. Our buyer's going to defend it. Come on, defend 68.5. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. All right, we're defending. We're buying back up. We're buying back up. We're buying back up. Smash these likes. Share this stream out with friends, guys. We might hit all-time highs right now on Bitcoin. This is the line right here. This is the all-time high is right here. This line, this magical freaking line. And we got to do it. We got to do it. Oh my gosh, guys, we might hit all-time high here on stream. TikTok, what are we doing? 840, come on. Come on, close above that candle. Close above that candle. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Whoa. 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 Oh. Oh.
Oh my God. Bruh. Oh my God.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
888, 891, 917. Guys, we might hit all-time high at... Whoa. Whoa. 9:30, guys. 9:30, 9:45, 9:50. What is happening right now? Oh my word. Oh my word.
Oh my God.
Guys, we might hit all-time high with Bitcoin right freaking now. Right now. So you better like, you better subscribe, share this stream out with everybody you know. Everybody that said that Bitcoin was not going to get to this point again, and here we are, kids. Here we are. This is ridiculous. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. You can do it. Let's go, guys. Share the stream out with friends. 861. Oh my gosh. Guys, what is happening here with Bitcoin? We see that 68.5 was tapped, got bought right back up. Got bought right back up. Come on, Bitcoin, we can do it. Sheesh, again, we keep trending towards the 68.5. Get away. Get away. More sells are coming in, Dan says. Is this the top for now, guys? Is 68,950 where we are topping for right now? This is major, major, major resistance. Let's see. I don't know. We're so eerily close right now. We are so close. We just need that volume to keep coming in, guys. 867. Come on. Let's go to 68.9 one more time. Let's go to 68.9 one more time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Whew. This is crazy. This is absolutely wild. Guys, make sure you like, you subscribe, you share the stream out with friends. We got to battle this. This is a grueling battle with the bears, with everybody. The bulls, the bears, everyone. Everyone is at play right now. All the market makers are battling each other. They want to know what they want to do. They don't know who they are, what they want to see. But all we know is that this is a major battle. Come on, we need 68.9. 68.9. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. This is wild. Let's check out other time frames. Let's check out other time frames. Let's look at the 15-minute. All right. We're in the green. We're in the green for the last 15-minute candle. The green dot's playing out. I don't know, guys. The VWAP doesn't look too confident here. Let's look at the 5-minute. 5-minute. Ooh, I don't like that. I do not like that. The green dot playing out, but the VWAP is not there on these time frames, guys. It's not there. Let's look at the hour. Come on, Market Cipher, where you at? All right, we got that green dot, but again, the VWAP here. Where's the VWAP? Like, I don't see a VWAP zest on any of these time frames. 68,940. Let's see. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. 945. Come on, get through this 950 resistance. Come on, VWAP. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, is this literally gonna be it? Green dot just printed on Market Cipher. Oh my gosh, 950, 950, 980. What is going on, guys? Come on. 969. Oh my gosh! 971! 987! What? 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 What is going on? Put rocket emojis in the chat right now. 986! Come on, Bitcoin, stop it. Stop the freaking madness. Oh my gosh, I gotta get my other phone out. I gotta get the phone. 977, come on, Bitcoin, let's go. We hit 990. We can do it. We were $10 away. $10 away. Oh my gosh. I can't. 990, come on, Bitcoin, let's go. We can freaking do it. We can do it. 990, come on, is this the moment? 997. What? What? What is going on? Bitcoin, are we about to hit all-time highs? Bitcoin, let's go! Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. I am losing it. Guys, look, we are so close. 998, $69,000. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, we're at $69,000. What? Oh my gosh. Guys, we just hit $69,000 Bitcoin. Wow, guys, we're about to hit all-time highs. What? 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 What is going on? What is going on? Guys, we made it. We made it. Guys, we're hitting all-time highs. We just passed all-time highs. Guys, oh my gosh. Guys, we just hit new all-time highs for Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. Guys, we just hit new all-time highs for Bitcoin. Guys, what? What? 69,150. Guys, we just hit all-time highs for Bitcoin. Oh my God. What is going on? 225. Guys, what? 290. Guys, all-time high, $69,300. Guys, we just hit all-time highs. What? 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 What is going on? We just hit all-time highs for Bitcoin. What the? What? I can't believe it, guys. We just hit all-time highs for Bitcoin. Guys, we just hit all-time highs, and now we're dumping, but we just hit all-time highs. Oh my word. Oh my wow. Guys, we just hit all-time highs for Bitcoin. Dude, that was insane. Guys, this was insane. Dude, this is so wild. Guys, please like and retweet. Let's go. Like and retweet. We just hit new all-time highs for Bitcoin. We just hit new all-time highs for Bitcoin. This is so ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. We just hit Bitcoin all-time highs. Guys, congratulations to every single freaking one of you. I can't believe it. Wow. So what's going on now with Bitcoin? Our levels are hitting still. So let's take a look at what's going on. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, guys, we just hit Bitcoin all-time highs. I could cry. I could cry right now. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that being bought up. We hit 67.6 and we're back at 68.2, which is a major resistance. 68.6 is a major resistance. Our wick high was $68,300. Wow. This is insane, guys. This is insane. Bitcoin is trying to hold what's going on here. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is insane. Wow. I'm literally losing my mind. Wow. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. I can't believe what's going on here today. Look at Bitcoin buying this back up. Do you know how bullish this is? 67.6 from the 69.3 came down, came right back up to 68.2. That is pretty wild to watch. That is pretty wild to watch. And listen, a lot of people, again, took profit at this level. We are in exactly what Juice Toe's right on point. Uncharted territory. We are literally in price discovery, guys. This is price discovery for Bitcoin. Wow. This is ridiculous. I can't believe what I'm witnessing right now. 68.2 is pretty good. Someone said, Wolfie, that I don't know, man. Listen, a dump off 69 is expected, right? So we went down to the 68.6, and look how fast within that next minute candle was back up at 68.2. And it's kind of just hovering there still. So I don't think that's bad at all. I think that's actually pretty good. What do you guys think in the chat? Do you think this price action is decent? Put a 1 or a yes emoji if you think the price action is good, or put 2 and no emoji if you're bearish right now. Let me see. 1 and yes emoji for bullish, or 2 and no emoji for bearish. Wow. This is freaking nuts. This is nuts. I can't believe what's going on right now. Wow, I do need water. I do need water. This is ridiculous. Wow. This is... People are saying this is cool volatility. Just wow. I'm good.
All-time high hug. All-time high hug.
Dude, this is ridiculous, man. This is crazy. I can't believe what we're watching right now. Wow. Did you guys expect this right now? Like, did you guys expect this right now? This is nothing. It's going to go to 300,000. Steve.eth says we need to come back down to 64, find support, then rocket. I mean, listen, we did hit the... Are you kidding me? I'm age restricted again, TikTok? Come on, dude. Like, this is not cool. Yeah, that is stupid. Wow. That, I am...
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow. Michael, thank you for the roses. I am speechless, Steve.eth. Like, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Wow. Look at Bitcoin go. Like, that is ridiculous. Let's go to the 15. Where's the 15-minute chartery? All right, there we go. All right, yeah. The VWAP on the 15 minutes still does not look great. The green dot's playing out, but... Yeah, the RSI is dumping. Everything's falling off right now. But this is expected. I'm not mad at it. But I can't believe that. That is so... Whoa, I almost cussed. That is ridiculous, man. 5 minute, that's where we hit the all-time high. Just with negative volume here on the 5 minute. Wow. Isn't that insane? ETH is almost at... Did it hit 38? It did. It hit $3,800 ETH. Let's freaking go. $3,800 ETH, too. I remember when I first created Misting Crypto, ETH was $125 freaking dollars, man. ETH was $125, and look at where it is, man. It's at $3,795 ETH, man. That is so stupid. That is so crazy to see the price appreciation. Literally, I cannot explain to you how beautiful this feels. Yeah, the gas fees, Wolfie. You're right, dude. The gas fees are egregious on ETH. That's why I'm just annoyed with it.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Is this a good time to request a potato vocals Doge
A
is king?
potato
Rose
flew around my room
10.83255526
before you
Doge.
came.
Wow. Just shoot. Wow. Congratulations, everybody. Let's do a nice little cheer here. Wow. I'm in shock. Oh, I'm in shock. All right, guys. Someone say in the chat, invested crypto, we're back. Bro, we've always freaking been here.
Yeah.
We've always been here, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. Michael, thank you. Wow. I don't know, guys. I'm in shock. I really don't even know what to say at this point. Again, 68.2. Oh, wow. Wow, we're bouncing right over 3,800 ETH. ETH is buying that up. Green dot on the minute. Whoa, dude. Look at ETH. 38.15, 38.17. Are we going to keep moving on ETH? Dude, no.
They're not.
Wow, this is nuts. This is nuts. All right, we need really quick. Let's see. Guys, we are one subscriber away from 15,600. So let's get that one more out here. Let's get one more subscriber for 15,600. Let's freaking pamp it up. Let's pump up these subscribers, guys. Yesterday we were killing it, dude. Yesterday we were killing it with subscribers. Oh my gosh, we're over. Let's go. Guys, let's get 15,625. We could do that. 15,625, 23 more. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. I'm confident in you beautiful people. So let's get it. Ooh, Bitcoin's coming back. Bitcoin's coming back. All right, so ETH is killing it right now. 38.16. Had a wick high right here of 38.30. So that is insane. So ETH is breaking new highs for the day. Almost basically in its golden zone. But I got to look at Bitcoin really quick. All right, so we just had a wick high of the 68.494, almost 68.5. So if we could hold, again, the 68.2 and bounce to 68.6 and see how it reacts, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Let's see. Because I'm just watching the wicks, man. I'm watching these things. So 68.3 still seems to come into play. I don't know. But first, there's someone that is still buying some Bitcoin and plans to keep buying, and that's Michael Saylor, guys. If you saw earlier, as we're looking at Bitcoin, ooh, 68.3, oh, poop. Go, 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 go. 68.450. Let's go, Bitcoin. Go, go, go. All right. We do have MicroStrategy set to raise $600 million via convertible notes to buy more Bitcoin. I don't know, guys. It seems pretty crazy. Michael Saylor said he's going to keep buying the top forever. I think he means it. We see MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, is set to raise $600 million as part of a move to buy more Bitcoin. This confirmed the news right here from Michael Saylor that the funds would be issued in the form of senior convertible notes. Those are a debt security that can be converted into equity at a later date. They're senior to common stock in the sense that holders have priority in the event of bankruptcy or liquidation. MicroStrategy says it intends to use the net proceeds from the sale of the notes to buy more Bitcoin for general corporate purposes and to they expect to grant the initial purchasers of the notes an option to purchase an additional $90 million aggregate principal amount of the notes. And They will mature on March 15th of 2030 unless earlier repurchased, redeemed, or converted in accordance with their terms. Obviously, MicroStrategy stock is booming right now, as Bitcoin is booming too. Usually when Michael Saylor buys or says he's going to buy, it always tanks after. But we do have, again, 68.6 that we are battling here with Bitcoin. Let's take a look at MicroStrategy stock today. MSTR. Alrighty. And blew away what our expectations were. We were like, all right, hopefully we can hold support at this 679, and then boom. And that's exactly what happened. So we do have a wick high here of 1312, and we did actually have new all-time highs of around 1360 for MicroStrategy. Shout out to all the MicroStrategy holders. Obviously, the level that you would look at is where we rejected off of those highs previously in February of 2021. So that's obviously where I'd place maybe finding some support if it does continue to tear to the upside. But yeah, it seems like it was actually defended, this 1193. And today we're freshly opened on the stock market less than an hour after opening. Seems that we're down 6.88% today, but again, this is all-time highs for MicroStrategy, so this is some uncanny stuff. And speaking of stocks for crypto, let's take a look at Coin. Let's take a look at Coinbase. Coinbase, too, has that all-time high of, like, what is this? 430, just about. And we do have this level that we are dealing with now, which I would say is, let's expand this out. I would definitely say to watch out for right here, again, because of the amount of rejection here, bouncing through, and then failing to hold support. Same thing here. So, yeah, I would look up to that 254 and see if that could still be done. But, again, you have to keep having all this money flow. The green dot was just printed. And, of course, the volume is pretty nice here with Coinbase, but it has been higher in the past, like right here in July, just trying to push to that 108. We found that support at $72 and then went back up. So yeah, our levels are definitely respected 100% with Coinbase. And we're going to see if maybe, just maybe, we could return to maybe that 254, maybe challenge all-time highs eventually, depending on how the Bitcoin market and crypto market goes overall, especially because they have their lawsuit and all that crazy stuff. Shout out to all you beautiful subscribers. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. We have 20 more until we hit 15,625. Oh, less. Oh, whoa. Oh, hello, everybody. Where are you coming from? Where are you guys coming from? What is going on? This is a raid. This is a subscriber raid. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
So pump it up. You got to pump it
Wow,
up.
that's freaking sick. Hello, everyone. 15 more subscribers. Let's get it. Oh, 14 more. Whoa. Whoa. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Wow. You guys are killing it. This thing is going, woo. All right. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. What's going on with you, boo? We're at 67.8 right now. So we are taking a little bit of a dump here with Bitcoin, flushing it. What's up, Tabe, Cuzzy, Ashley Wells, Flatsmack, Eric, everyone in the chat, welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you let me know that you are new so I can give you love. Let's get it. How many likes do we have? All right. Let's see. We have 169 likes. Let's get that 31 more. Now 30. Let's get those 30 more. Let's get 200 likes on this.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Yeah, FOMO is definitely going to hit, man, especially if we could hold 68K. That's the big thing. If we could hold 68K and then, like, eventually go past those all-time highs again, shoot, dude, the FOMO might be unlike anything we've ever seen ever, especially after the banks, right? The banks are still struggling. NYCB, they're saying they might be a flight risk, the deposits, after their downgrade. So they're worried that people aren't going to keep their money in the bank and that they're not going to deposit as much money, especially, all these smaller people. Holy poop, Golden, you, oh my gosh, were you here for the all-time high celebration? Thank you for the 20 memberships.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Welcome, Golden. Golden, tell me how you feel today. Tell me how you feel. What do you think about the chartery? Oh my gosh. NYCB is now Flagstar. Well, Flagstar is part of it, right? But I don't think they own NYCB. I don't think they're now Flagstar. I think Signature was bought by Flagstar, and now Signature Bank is Flagstar. And also, there was a lot of like insider stuff because NYCB bought some of Signature and a lot of their assets as well, and now they're struggling. So, you know, as you're looking at Bitcoin, that's literally at price discovery, literally at all-time highs. You have NYCB that, like their stock, that's not even holding support at this $4.30. That's literally at $2.96 a share. That is at the same level that it was in 1996. This is 1996 levels right here that the banks are at. And we have Bitcoin going to all-time highs. So let me ask you guys, what would you rather hold? Where would you rather keep your money? In the bank and own bank stocks? Put a 1 or a yes emoji if you like the banks and bank stocks. Or put a 2 and a no emoji if you want Bitcoin. If you think we should be our own bank. Our own bank. Let me know. What do you think? We do not want the banks. That's it. That's it. 1996 levels. What is that? Garbage. Trash. Flush it. Now, we do know ETH is definitely melting faces right now. Ethereum is at $3,800, pretty much at its high for the day, right here. And that our high was around 38.30. This is the highest. Yesterday was the highest daily candle close since at least right here. Since January of 2022, outperformed April of 2022, which was a huge rejection, and that's why we were worried about this level. And now we're about to enter the golden zone for Ethereum, which is around 39.50. Apologies, 39.50, 39.60. We're about to enter the ETH golden zone. The ETH all-time highs with the wick high was $4,873, just about. So again, the golden zone is about to happen. Let's duplicate that. Let's get this, clone it. Woohoo! Let's bring her over. So that way, that's over there too, so people know. But yeah, the golden zone is about to be entered. This is basically the 60K equivalent of Bitcoin, is this right here. So I'm very excited. I think ETH has a lot of potential. And of course, we have that green dot that's printed. The VWAP is going, money flow is going. The RSI is very overheated though, so I'd just be cautious of how zesty this RSI is. But yeah, this is pretty wild to see. I'm not going to lie to you. But as ETH is taking off, as ETH is sitting at $3,800, its highest levels since, again, January of 2022. We do have the SEC that delayed the BlackRock Ether ETF proposal once again. This is not something that was unexpected. It was expected. Obviously, we see here that James Cipher that we had on the show posting on X that he was watching that May 23rd deadline as the next date that actually matters. And he told Blockworks that an approval is around a 60% chance by May. And it's important because that's the 240-day window that the SEC has to decide on the proposals from Van Eck and ARC21. So the SEC's got a lot of decisions to make, but still, how can we have an ETH ETF without clarifying if ETH is a security or not? And we already know that this is something we have seen in the past with Bitcoin, where he did not say that Bitcoin was a security. However, he was never saying it clearly, and he was not going to approve the Bitcoin ETF. He only did it because the courts told him to. And that's it. Black Hat, you think I should rename it to the Zest Zone? You think I should? You think I should? Maybe I would. But the Golden Zone reminds me of, like, you know, Stardom and also Golden in the chat, so I don't know. I kind of like Golden Zone, but Zest Zone is cool too. Guys, we have 189 likes, 11 more till we hit 200. Let's pamp it. All right. Let's see. Let's go on to the next. And it wouldn't be a Bitcoin pump. It wouldn't be all-time highs if it wasn't for the FUD. Now, here comes the FUD. Here comes the FUD. Here comes the FUD. The FUD comes from Nigeria. Nigeria is trying to crack down on Binance, which, again, the carving who's giving me a lot of beautiful roses. Thank you. Binance, really, they cannot prove that Binance has done anything wrong, especially as now they're saying they're picking up people and questioning them from Binance. And Binance is now saying they're going to discontinue its Nigerian Naira services after all the government scrutiny, when if you look at Nigeria, they don't want peer-to-peer trading, they don't want crypto, and they only want what? Their own CBDC and their stablecoin that they made, because the CBDC is failing epically. Now, we do have 2 Binance executives that were detained here as the plans for Binance to discontinue its Nigerian Naira services following the increased scrutiny. The crypto exchange will delist any NGN pairs by Thursday, and on Friday, any remaining balances in a user account will be converted to USDT. Users are encouraged to withdraw NGN, trade their NGN assets, or convert NGN into crypto prior to the discontinuation of these NGN services. Nigerian regulators have been investigating the exchange, which is not authorized to operate in the country. The House of Representatives Committee on Financial Crimes summoned Binance CEO Richard Tang to appear on March 4th to address the investigations of alleged money laundering and terror financing. Now, there were 2 Binance executives that have been reportedly detained following a February investigation. I really don't think anything of this Binance FUD. It is FUD because, again, this whole thing with terrorist financing on Binance, they never proved what money was moved, what cryptocurrencies were used, any blockchain transactions. They never did anything. And in fact, the whole thing was just to take out CZ Binance, who was a huge actor in the space that went and talked to more countries and made more crypto adoption happen for exchanges than any other leader, any other CEO, and any other world leader in this world. Not even this country. This country, they don't do anything. So shout out to CZ, because this man was done dirty. And again, we still really don't know the truth about what happened to him. And I really don't think we'll know the truth probably until years from now, until CZ really speaks out about what happened to him. Because, again, nothing makes sense. The math doesn't math, kids. The math does not math. And especially when you have things like the Terraform Labs case with Dogecoin. And little Dodo, right? Like, he's going to get extradited to the United States. But what I don't understand is that they're coming after Dogecoin, but they never really said, again, what a digital asset is and what a digital asset security is. And don't they have to prove that in order to prosecute Dogecoin? Now, we do see they're countering the SEC's slush fund claims, alleging that this is government overreach. Terraform Labs challenged the SEC to object the company's retention payment of the Denton's US LLC as a special counsel in its Chapter 11 bankruptcy case. They're saying, again, because they didn't like the SEC, that Dodo and Terraform Labs paid their counsel $166 million. The reason why they didn't like that is because they think they gave these people so much money so that they don't have to pay the SEC if they get fined. And that's only because, again, what does the SEC care about? What does the government care about? Their pockets. The SEC claimed that this was part of a suspicious amount that was transferred to an opaque slush fund, that the transfer was made deliberately to avoid paying possible judgment from its enforcement actions. Terraform Labs again requested authority to pay legal expenses, which they said is imperative in defending against the SEC's litigation and complying with the investigation. They said at Terraform, the SEC, the very party pursuing the debtor in the SEC enforcement action, filed a vehement objection to the debtor spending its own funds to ensure an adequate defense in the SEC enforcement action is a troubling example of government overreach. They claim that the SEC's true motives were to distract its focus before the upcoming trial on March 25th. Which I agree. This is a huge distraction. That's why I say they're all actors, because why is this happening? For FUD. And that's why they knew, the SEC, that they, and all these people, they have to think ahead. They have to freaking plan out the script, where this month I expected not only Dogecoin FUD, but CZ FUD, which we are starting to get Binance FUD anyway. But by next month, we're going to have some crazy stuff going on between Dogecoin and CZ Binance with their trials. They're going to be at the same time. They're going to be all over TV, and how these people are so bad. Meanwhile, people in our own government are doing what? Insider trading and taking advantage of people every single day, with people like Liz Warren and Gary Gensler that just lie to your face every chance they get. And how is that fair? That they get to lie, they get to make up and say things that aren't true, yet they never get corrected unless they're posting on X and Community Notes steps in. Guys, Bitcoin is dumping right now. We did hit that all-time high of $69,300. We are... Oh my gosh, Wolfie said his tummy's doing backflips. I relate, dude. Because look at this. This is crazy. We just hit a low right here of $66,000. What is this? $450 just about. Bouncing back up off of that. But again, we hit that all-time high. We try to bounce off, go hit that 68.6 and rejected. And now this is where we're at. So all of this is really expected with hitting all-time highs. With all-time highs comes volatility, and it comes some spice on the charts. I will advise you guys that Meta is down, Facebook, Instagram, everything is down, but X is working and Bitcoin is working, which is another example of why you have to have a network that always works. Bitcoin is always up. Meta, Instagram, they cannot be promised. People said this is a bear trap. It could be, because people might be shorting right now and be like, oh, I'm going to short the Bitcoins. And then it might just shoot back up. But in these times of uncertainty, you don't know. We're really trying to defend that $67. $68 was a big struggle too. I didn't feel too confident about $68K. I was saying that in Jason Casper's stream before I got in here. So yeah, definitely some interesting things going on. Thank you for telling us. I was freaking out because you couldn't log in. Yeah, this happens all the time. Like, I could go check. Let me go check my Instagram. Let me see if I could get in there. Yeah, it's saying we can't refresh the feed. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is what I got right now. So basically nothing. Don't worry about it. Facebook will come back. And again, X is up and we are chilling. The bears are rolling over in their graves. Severe Volume says, yeah, basically. Guys, we have 4 more likes until 200 likes. Let's get it.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Someone said, imagine shorting Bitcoin during a bull market. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. Imagine. Listen, people have some audacity. I'm not going to lie. People do have audacity when it comes to these things. But yeah, so we're going to continue. And this is another piece of really bullish news for us in the crypto community, especially within the United States. As you know, the United States run by old people that don't really like to embrace crypto because they're old and they want their old money to work. When the whole history of fiat shows that it's just not sustainable, especially in this economy. Now, Virginia is passed a crypto-friendly bill to foster some blockchain expansion. And within this, they're talking about crypto mining, which is highly important. We need to talk about Bitcoin mining and crypto mining. Shout out to all my beautiful freaking miners in the chat. I love you guys. If you guys are a miner, if you guys love Bitcoin miners, put that Bitcoin miner emoji from the members in there. Put that Bitcoin emoji for that Bitcoin miner emoji. Beautiful. Love them. So this might be good for you guys if you're in Virginia. The Virginia Senate in the U.S. passed a landmark bill creating a work group dedicated to studying the overall crypto ecosystem and making recommendations to foster the tech's expansion. On February 5th, the lawmakers introduced Bill Number 339 to get recommendations on fostering and expanding blockchain tech, digital asset mining, and cryptocurrency in the space. The Virginia House of Delegates passed the bill on March 4th with 97 members in favor and 2 choosing to abstain from voting. And there was only 1 against it, so that just shows how unpopular these people are. It says this is a bill to direct the Bureau of Financial Institutions and the state corporation to convene a work group to study blockchain tech, digital asset mining, and cryptocurrency. They're saying No license under this chapter shall be required of any person engaging in home mining and digital asset mining or digital asset mining business activities as those terms are defined in the sections that they are pointing out here. It's going to consist, this new work group, of 13 members, 5 from the Senate, 5 from the House of Delegates, and 2 non-legislative citizen members from the blockchain industry, plus 1 non-legislative citizen representing the local government. They've been giving a deadline of November 1st, 2024 to conclude their studies and share recommendations no later than the first day of 2025. They did recently, Virginia, have an allocation of a yearly general fund of $22,000 and around $17,000 respectively to the 2 newly formed commissions on AI and crypto in the state of Virginia. So shout out to Virginia for just being zesty. Shout out to Virginia. So if you guys are mining in Virginia, they are going to back you up big time. So that's beautiful. I'm very happy about it. I'm very happy about it. So go Virginia. And they're not the only state to be doing that. There's a lot of other states that are passing legislation. And there are people in other states like Ted Cruz that are openly advocating for crypto mining. And Texas is a nice hub for crypto mining, even though the EIA just tried to attack them, which was a case that we won as a crypto community. So we're fighting, and we're not letting these people take over our lives again. Beautiful. I love my Bitcoin mining emojis in the chat. I love my Bitcoin mining emojis. Let's take a sip of coffee, guys. Oh, it's dead. That's why. Oh, David got a membership. Shout out to you. Yes, we love our membershipery. We love the membershipery. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 67.1 right now. Really trying to defend the 67K. I want to see, again, if we could just test that 67.6 and go back there. See if we have some zest. But we do have a red dot that was going to print. Maybe not. We'll see. All right, and then we got more news. We got some more news out here. We got some more news. A liter of coffee, basically. I drank a lot of coffee this morning. I needed it. I was live until 10 p.m. last night. You guys know that's past my bedtime. I was up too late for my bedtime last night. But we do have Deutsche Börse. I think that's how you pronounce it. I Googled it this morning, how to pronounce this name, because I was so long. We do have Deutsche Börse that's starting crypto trading platforms for institutional clients over there in Germany. And again, Deutsche Bank is one of the largest banks out there. So I think this is something to pay attention to. So the operator of Germany's largest stock exchange has started a crypto spot trading platform for institutions, and this platform called DBDX offers a fully regulated ecosystem for trading, settlement, and custody of crypto assets. Initially, the trading will operate on a request for quote basis, followed by a multilateral trading. This will also operate the trading venue, and crypto finance will provide the settlement and crypto custody services. They said, we aim to provide trusted market operations for crypto assets, ensuring transparency, security, and regulatory compliance for institutional clients in Europe. So obviously, we have a lot of things going on in Germany and other countries where banks are jumping in, whereas the United States have this whole bill, SAB 121, that is basically not a formal rule, but basically a rule trying to take away banks' rights to own and custody crypto. And if they do custody crypto, the banks are going to have to add it to their balance sheet, which doesn't make sense because if it's other people's money, it shouldn't count as what your capital is. So yeah, that's my opinion on the whole thing. And obviously in the US, we're very behind. We're run by old people. However, we do have Germany that's trying to step up and have these banks kind of ride the crypto wave as well. So big people that are running the German stock exchange, the largest operator, are now offering crypto custody services. So that should tell you a little bit. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Nice to see everyone in the beautiful, beautiful chat. Now, we also have more banks jumping in. We have Prometheum that is tapping Morgan Stanley executive as a CFO before they opened their doors. And this is a crypto firm that is kind of controversial here. Controversial crypto platform Prometheum continues to signal its seriousness about moving forward in the industry's sole U.S. special purpose crypto broker dealer, having now hired CFO within Wall Street, from the likes of Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs Group, Inc. Alberto Mayo was Morgan Stanley's executive director for regulatory policy and boasts a long career in mainstream finance with firms that also include Fidelity and Nomura, which Nomura is highly into crypto along with Fidelity. Prometheum's new CFO has also served on an advisory board at the Securities Industry's Internal Standards Organization, the SIFMA. He joins Prometheum and is trying to navigate its first days of its crypto custody operations, which will soon start holding ETH for its customers, though it hasn't disclosed the names of the institutions that will do business there. They're saying that there's a theoretical compliance where it's at odds with the other crypto native firms who have claimed that the SEC makes it impossible. But what they're trying to do is treat crypto as a security. So all these TradFi bros are trying to create their own firms over things like Ethereum, yet they're going to try to claim that Ethereum is a security, that crypto is a security. Then what are you doing in this space then? What are you doing in the space if what you're trying to do is trade crypto as securities? Like, these people, what they want to do is have Wall Street, all these TradFi bros come in, create their own crypto companies, and then give them all the special regulations so that they can operate, and everyone else that's crypto native gets left in the dust. And plus, are they going to let you self-custody? Probably not. Probably not. So I don't trust anything that they're doing, especially that they're going to say, oh, trade crypto assets as securities. Like, what, dude? No.
They're not.
No. $67K Bitcoin. What is going on, man?
Oh my God.
You're unbelievable. Boom, boom, doo, 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 doo. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Again, make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, sharing this out with friends. We have how many subscribers? Let's see. Beautiful. Guys, 12 more. Oh, no, whoa. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh, whoa. Let me take a sip of agua right here. What is going on? Wow, we just hit 15,625. Pump it up.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow, look at that go, dude. Look at that go. Holy wow. Holy wow. Guys, let's get 4 more. 15,630. We can do it. We can do it. All right. That's gorgeous. Oh, I just dropped that. That's okay. All right. Woohoo. That is so beautiful. I had to step back for a second. 20K subs will be zesty? Of course it will. We're not far away. I'm bullish. I'm bullish on the channel, man. I'm bullish on the channel. Sub count versus Bitcoin price. That's funny. We're still moving up on the subscribers, what I'm seeing here. But let's talk about some other things going on in the space. There was an exploit. So if you guys are oh, hello, easy work. Oh my gosh, Tave. Tave. Freaking Tave. Tave just gave away 50 freaking memberships? No. No, you did not, Tave. Membershippery. Guys, hit that accept gift button, please. Please. Oh my gosh, thank you, man. Thank you. And everyone, if you got one, say thank you. Guys, put 100 emoji in the chat for Tave love. Tave. Oh my gosh, between you and Golden, I'm losing it right now. This is a lot. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Cause sound share, baby, it's a sound share. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yours too?
Bing bang.
Oh, that is so awesome. Shout out to every single one of you guys. You guys are getting memberships like crazy. Go freaking Tave, man. I'm so like, ah! Oh, wow. That is so freaking awesome, dude. Thank you so much. I'm getting red now. I'm getting red. I am shook. Thank you so much. Where's the membership thing? You have to go to youtube.com/missteencrypto. Go in the live chat and press allow gift. And you should be able to have a chance at getting these. They're getting distributed still. It's literally, my whole little bot here is glitching out. It's like literally not even changing the names because there's so many. Wow. Membershipery for all. Thank you, Tave. Wow. Wow, that is freaking lit. I had to get another water. Wow, this is nuts. Oh, wow.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow, that is so freaking awesome. Wow, membershipery. Woohoo!
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi
VC,
schemes.
thank you for the heart me. I appreciate that. John English said Forever Gray. You have to hit the allow gift button, John English, and you should be able to get a membership. I don't know if they're still getting distributed. I think they're all out now, but maybe next time. You got to make sure you press allow gift in your YouTube. Wow, that is so freaking awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. I know there's still people popping in. Let's make sure we can smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. Squeaky McGee said, I tried to turn it on, found out your account is branded, so you can't receive gifts. Is there a way to turn that off? I know there's someone in the chat can help you. We have 223 likes, guys. Let's get 250. Alex said he doesn't know how to allow gift. When you see the drop come in for the memberships, like that little green box that comes up in the chat, you should be allowed to press allow gift in there. Someone can help you on there. But thank you so much, guys. I love that. Give me a rocket emoji in the chat. Okay. Wow, that's so sick. Oh! Okay, so let's talk some more about Phantom. Apparently, there's a multi-chain $200 million exploit that you guys really need to check out. So I want you guys to be aware. That's why I always talk about the exploits. We have Phantom Foundation that maintains and helps develop Phantom blockchain. Is seeking to claw back some of the asset it lost in a $200 million exploit of cross-chain router protocol multi-chain in July. The foundation said it won a default judgment in Singapore where Multichain failed to respond and now seeking to liquidate the company in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy in the US. So they noted their losses, and it was 1/3 of the amount stolen from Multichain. Other lost assets were spread across different blockchains that included Phantom, Ethereum, and BNB. Multichain was a bridging protocol that let people transfer tokens between different blockchains. This hack happened after its CEO went missing in July. Isn't that a little sus? Isn't that a little sus? This guy goes missing and all of a sudden there is a hack on the chain. What happened to him? What really went down there? And we need better bridges, and that just is proof of how all of this happens, because again, we have to check our protocols. They have to be audited somehow, some way. And also we do need just better bridges, man. We should have a way to bridge from one blockchain to another without having to rely on all these plebs. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make too much sense there. Itty Bitty said Meta might be done for good. Is Meta still down, guys? Is Meta still down? Can somebody update me on that? Is Meta still down? All right. Alex allowed the gift. That's good. That's good. Next time. Crypto Farmer, a member for 2 months, said, woohoo, 2 months with this great fam. I'll give you a little woo to that.
Woo!
Did you guys hear that?
Woo!
Okay, because I didn't hear that. That's better. Okay, let's go, guys. That is beautiful. So Meta is still down. Wow, that's crazy. That is insane. All right, so we're gonna keep on with that. We're gonna keep on keeping on. We're gonna keep on keeping on. So just letting you guys know about Phantom. Again, they're going through all these bankruptcies and Jordan, it's still down as far as you can tell. It's global. Yeah, it's what I'm seeing. It's impacting everyone. Everyone's losing their sheesh over it. Everyone's losing their sheesh. Guys, we have 15,629 subscribers. Let's get this 15,630. Let's do one more, guys. One more person. Subscribe. You got it. You got it. Because we're sound checking. Baby, it's a sound check. I'm going to check my Dogecoin. Why don't you check yours too? Oh, actually, before we get into the Dogecoin story, this is a sign that the NFT market's coming back because somebody bought a CryptoPunk for $16 million. This was around 4,500 ETH, and this was the second largest sale ever for CryptoPunks that was trailing only a $23.7 million purchase in February of 2022. So I'm just letting you guys know that these CryptoPunks were minted in 2017 by Larva Labs, which then was sold to Yuga, who's responsible for Bored Ape Yacht Club. And CryptoPunks were literally given away for free while they were literally just created. I believe that those were CryptoPunks that were given away for free. Nobody cared about them. Nobody wanted them. And then all of a sudden, we had the NFT summer, NFT bull market, and these were going like crazy, selling like hot cakes out here. So $60 million for an NFT, that is a lot of money. And we will see the resurgence of the stupidest things being sold for egregious amount of monies. You will see that. It's undeniable. That's just the way it goes in this space. And I'm happy about it because you know what? It's a free market. And if someone wants to buy a freaking CryptoPunk or a little monkey picture or even a little squiggle for millions of dollars, then let them freaking do it. Let them do it. They're able to do whatever they want. All right. Alrighty. Now we also have, hello, curious user. Thank you for the heart meme. We got Bitcoin miners too, I want to talk about before we get into the chart. So according to Fidelity, they're saying miners need to be a little bit proactive to hold their positions after the halving. And we know Fidelity themselves have been mining Bitcoin since 2014. So it's been a very long time. So Bitcoin holders have historically welcomed obviously the 4-year halving in the expectation it's going to drive prices higher. But miners must constantly plan for the event, which cuts their earnings by 50%. And they're saying not only do miners need to maintain their existing hash rate, energy, and real estate, but they are also continuously competing with the entire network that is trying to do the same thing. They have to constantly push to acquire more hash rate, as well as increase the efficiency of their hash rate, acquire low-cost energy from cheaper sources, and expand their infrastructure to house any new machines. So I think you guys that are miners, you guys know what to do. You're smart little nerdies. You're going to figure it out, and you're going to kill the freaking game. You're going to kill the game. So yeah, of course, miners have to prepare because obviously the amount they're going to get is cut in half. But again, the price appreciation might help that depending on when the price appreciates. This is an adjustment that miners have had to make every 4 years, but there's a lot more competition now. And again, you have to make sure your stuff is efficient, which is why Ovalboard in the chat does is oval clocking. You have to make sure all your miners are as efficient as possible. People over there on TikTok, hello, nice to see you. Hello, D, nice to see you. Welcome. Geronimo, welcome to stream. Club 80, what's up? So anyone want to buy your little NFT? But listen, put any NFT out there, man. Put it all out there. You should not be scared. We got to make sure we put out our art. I think it's okay to put out art. I think people get a little bit weird about it. Like, oh, it needs to have utility. Who gives about utility? If you want to put out art, am I expecting this freaking art piece to bounce off the wall and dance for me? No. Like, that's why I don't understand why people are like, oh yeah, this NFT needs to have utility. Like, shove it. Like, come on. Let's get real. All right. Let's talk about the subscribers. Damn, we're smashing it over here. 15,631. Let's get 14 more. Let's get 15,600. And let's, you know what? Nah, not 14 more. Let's do 29. Freaking Boo Man!
I hope others will help celebrate by making it rain on you today.
Boo Man just gave $100 freaking super chat. Whoa. Whoa. Boo Man, thank you for the $100 super chat, man. Boo Man is such a king. I freaking love Boo Man. Shout out to Boo Man. Wow, that is so awesome. Thank you so much. Sheesh. Damn! Boo Man is such a king. Thank you, Boo Man. $100 super chat. You kidding me? That's crazy. Thank you. Wow. The love is so real in this freaking chat. Woo! All right. Wow. I'm so happy right now. This is crazy. But yeah, let's do 18. Let's do 18 more. Let's get 15,650. We could do it. I'm sure we could. We're going to talk about, we talked about the halving. We talked about CryptoPunks. All right. Let's talk about Dogecoin because the open interest topped $1.4 billion. Yesterday, we know that Dogecoin hit 20 cents. We could take a look at the chart really quick before we get into it. Doge, we saw yesterday, spiked up to that 20 cents, almost 21 cents, came below our level of 0.191, so just over 19 cents. We're going to see if we could tackle that today, but again, really high levels, currently at 17-cent Dogecoin, and the open interest, like we said, has been here. There's a 95% increase in the past week alone, and the rally has been accompanied by a record high of $1.4 billion futures open interest on Dogecoin, which is triggering speculation of excessive optimism amongst the investors. So I would just take a look at that and just know that people are really bullish on Dogecoin. We've had a major move where since the year started, so year to date, Doge is up over 90%. 90%. It's pretty nuts. We're going to talk about the market recap, guys. So let's get it. Because baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check my bubbles. Why don't you check yours too? We got XEC out here. We have some other dog with hat retracing a little bit. SHIB is up 15%. Floki and Bonk down around 20% each. Oof. Oof. Let's check out Bitcoin. Let's do an update here. $66,825, down 2.25%. Even though we do have a nice green dot that's printed here yesterday from Bitcoin on the daily, we do have kind of a flat VWAP as we did hit all-time highs today. So we hit a high of 69.3. So very critical levels here. And we are just kind of sideways trading, trying to hold 67 at this point. Just pretty nuts what's going on here. Pretty nuts. We're gonna we're gonna watch out for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. That hit a high of 38.30. Yep, we hit 38.30 earlier. We're about to enter the golden zone at 39.60, I would say. 39.60 is where the golden zone begins for Ethereum, nearing those all-time highs. So neutrally, I would like to close above 35.50 today and bullishly aim for that 39.50, which eventually could lead us to $4,000 ETH. We have a nice sharp VWAP, which is nice. We have nice money flow and green dot printing on market Cipher. So that's all good stuff. But the RSI worries me because, again, this is one of the highest RSIs we've seen since at least 2020 and the beginning of January of 2021. So I would just be very cautious whenever we have very overheated RSI. But this run with Ethereum was just uncanny. Year to date, we're up 65% with Ethereum. Litecoin, man. Litecoin is $88.74, down 0.44%. Again, battling with this $91, very much a big issue. Even in the past, $91 was just such a struggle for us. Choppity choop. And then we also have $85 Litecoin, which was defended earlier today, was defended 2 days ago, which is nice to see. And we did test the 91.60. We have yet to really go past that, especially when you see what the battle is like with the bulls and the bears with this volume. You guys can see really clearly there. Red dot pulling that momentum down ever so slightly. RSI doesn't look too snazzy with that VWAP, but yeah, we really want to make sure we could pick up that bullishness, get that bullish volume in for Litecoin, especially because we will be attending Litecoin Summit from July 24th to the 25th in Nashville, Tennessee. Talking to a lot of Dogers yesterday. We might get them to come. So make sure you guys check that out and go to Litecoin Summit for the price of less than one Litecoin. It's $88 a Litecoin right now. For $84, you could get your ticket to Nashville, Tennessee. To Nashville, Tennessee. I love Nashville. I can't wait for Nashville. I can't wait. Shout out to Alex O'Crypto, the Outer Gang, Flavor Living. Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone in the chat. Boo Man said, hope to start a trend. Haha. It's okay. Don't worry. I appreciate your super chat so very much. And you sent it directly to me, which makes it even better. So thank you. I appreciate it. Rain of love for Boo Man. Boo Man is the best. I think again, like if we kept going with the all-time highs, it would have been crazy in here. But it's still awesome in here. But yeah, I think that people are a little pissed, to say the least, that Bitcoin is not going bananas. Litecoin never does anything. Litecoin is the best asset in crypto technology-wise, hands down. It's the longest running blockchain with no downtime, 4-to-1 ratio with Bitcoin. Not with price, but with the amount of coins that will be in circulation technically, because they're not yet. And we have MWeb technology that gives privacy and fungibility along with OmniLite. And it's the only blockchain that can really scale right now. So to say that Litecoin doesn't do anything, it does everything you need it to do for money, for store of value. And you can argue it's a great store of value too, because it's been the same price for a long time, which is a store of value technically, and it has been appreciating quite nice. For the past week, we're up a nice 23%. So everyone sleeps on Litecoin until they can't, and that's it. But yeah, exactly. He said Litecoin doesn't do anything price-wise. Of course, it's great, but the public doesn't know much, and that's the whole point. We're so early that Litecoin is so underrated. It's unbelievable. Digibyte too. That's why I talk about Litecoin and Digibyte, because those are the blockchains that I would use for money. Those are the coins, because they're coins, that I would use for money. If I'm going to a coffee shop and I want to buy a chalky croissant and a hot chalky or a donut or a coffee, what am I going to do? I'm going to go and I'm going to use Litecoin, or I'm going to use Digibyte. Because within seconds, not even a second, it's going to be in the other wallet. And it's feasible. So less than a penny for fees on Litecoin. And then for Digibyte, it's basically nothing. So people are obviously going to FOMO into Bitcoin. They're going to FOMO into ETH, because that's all the institutions are talking about right now. And then what's going to happen? The only other coins that could have the same regulatory clarity as Bitcoin is Digibyte and Litecoin. Hands down. So no one can say, oh, there's a pre-mine for Litecoin or Digibyte. It's not true. They're completely decentralized. So I would just be aware of it. And again, when Bitcoin and ETH gas fees were through the roof and people were getting priced out before the whole run-up with Bitcoin started, where were people going? Litecoin and Doge, because those were feasible. Now, even Doge is struggling right now, so I would be wary of Doge as a currency as well, because of how many issues it's been having with its upgrade and everything. So I think Litecoin is easily, hands down, the best option for money, besides Digibyte, hands down. And Doge is right there, but that's if all the nodes are always upgraded and all the problems that they've had. Because I was trying to move some of my gifted Doge off of Coinbase from you lovely people, and it was like a 6-hour wait, and I was like, hold up. And then I went into a Dogecoin space, and I was talking about it. Crypto Farmer, ETH is not feasible. ETH is not feasible, especially when the prices start picking up. There's no way. No way. If someone wants to buy an NFT, not a shot. Last bull market, I was trying to buy a $10 NFT, and it was over $100 with gas. That is ridiculous. The timing is pretty good on ETH, but sometimes iffy. So yeah, I don't think ETH is feasible at all. I don't think ETH is feasible as currency in the slightest. I'm bullish on proof of work. And that's why our friend Juba, right here, Juba, he was in the space with me yesterday. We were talking about Doge and everything. We were talking about Litecoin. And I hope he's going to come to the summit, right, Juba, on X. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. Yeah, the fees are bad, dude. The fees are horrible on ETH. And Bitcoin. Bitcoin was ridiculous. Even back in the day, I was showing you guys a video yesterday from 2020. I was giving this kid $5 of Bitcoin when it was like 12 grand. And what happened then? Like he was literally, we were waiting. It was $2 for a $5 fee. It was a $5 transaction and a $2 fee. So it was like 7 something that I had to pay for that transaction. That's not feasible in the real world. I'm telling you right now. Oh, hello, Even J Drage. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. We have 15 more, guys, until we get 15,650 subscribers. So I hope you guys are... Wait, hold on. I don't even got to say anything. Come on, Piano Matty B.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Alrighty. You paid $56 this morning on a $400 swap? That is ridiculous, Crypto Farmer. That is not feasible. Like, for regular people, it's not. If you're a whale, then sure. But, do you sell your ETH for other solid picks? Bro, I will never, ever, 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 ever give you financial advice. So please do not ask me what you should buy, what you should sell, when you should sell, or if you should remove or move whatever out of your portfolio. I will never tell you what to do with your portfolio, ever, ever. Because you know what? I could be wrong. And you know what? Then you would blame me and resent me. And I never want that to happen. I want my community to be here for freaking ever. So I am not going to give you financial advice. If you want someone to go rate your portfolio, and then they can give you financial advice, then you could trust whatever their opinions are, when most of the time, Bitcoin taking a hot poop right now. Black Hat, whoa! Black Hat letting me know we have over 250 likes in the chat. Whoa! This is beautiful. Guys, let's get 275 likes. I think we can do it. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin right now. Blah. Bitcoin, blah.
Bruh.
So someone had their hands on the sell button. Look at that negative red volume right here swinging. Wow, that is ridiculous. Was that a little bit of a divergence though? No, that's not a divergence. I thought it was. I got excited. Yeah, we had 69.3, and then now we're sitting at 65.8. We had a wick low to 65.1, which again was an important level on the minute. We were watching yesterday, the 65.1. If you guys expand this line out from the minute chart we were looking at yesterday, very critical levels on the minute. So I think it's actually pretty interesting that we are still defending that 65.1. And still, like, where did we fail to hold support? At that 66.4. So all of our levels that we're talking about are very much in play. We do have a nice green dot here on the minute. Money flow is not exactly here, though. So I'm eager to see what happens with Bitcoin. Again, Dogecoin slipping too off of that 20 cents, coming down to 16. Freaking yikes, dude. I don't know. ETH is still doing good, though. ETH is still killing the game. It's at 37.34. Yeah, I think the whole market is just pooping right now. Uh-oh. Rut row. Nick, wow, expert analysis. It's the market ciphers. Stock market taking a poop today. Yeah, listen, the stock market's like not real, but like it's fine. Chris Enrique said, bruh. Boo man, he's funny. I can advise you on Monopoly money. Me too. I could advise you to go to Park Place. Tang Gang loves me. Much love to the Tang Gang. Thank you. I appreciate that. Crypto Outcast. I've been trying to ignore ETH coins as well. It's hard. Yeah, no, it's degen. It's degen stuff. And again, you're playing with a lot of money, especially if you're swapping. Like if you're going like ETH to ETH, that like wallet to wallet, it's not terrible, but still expensive. And if you're swapping, especially or buying an NFT, no, bro, absolutely no. But yeah, it's just this is not looking good. ETH is the only thing. If you guys look at you guys can't see that far on the right of my screen, can you? You could. You guys could see everything mostly is in the red except for Ethereum. That's still up technically 2%. Theta. Oof. Whoa. We were looking at maybe holding support and testing $1.71, and boy, did we do that. Wow. Theta, what a beast. Of 22%, $2.88. Whoa. Look at that green dot. Still printed, too. Holy wow. Look at Theta. Theta is OG, bro. Theta's OG. Solana, though, testing those critical levels. We were looking at that, too. See, I even had the arrow for my thought process of around $133, $134. And we did have a wick high today of 142. So seems that, again, we keep testing this one level. As you can see, that's literally where we're sitting right now. We had a green dot that played out quite nicely there with some green money flow, but we are sliding on this VWAP. RSI is pumping. So, yeah, I would look at that 134. And, again, bearish. If you come down, we could expand this out a little bit. Look at that 104 and then below that 94. But if we keep pushing, then bullishly, I'm looking at that 169. All right. Yeah, I think pretty much the same stuff. Chris Enrique, where's Emma? Emma's in there. Is there an FOMC meeting tomorrow? I think isn't he coming on today? Hold on. FOMC meeting. Let's Google it. I think it's today, isn't it? No. I'm confused. I don't see anything. I thought I heard someone say today. We'll see. We'll see if we have those FOMC meeting. Because I don't see a date for tomorrow or today. I'm a little confused. They're trying to trick us. Thirsty, nice. What's up, dude? Vroom, vroom. Were your parents into finance? How did you learn so young? My dad found out about Bitcoin, even though he's not a finance guy, but he found Bitcoin in 2016, 2017, and told me about it when I was like 13 years old, and now here I am. So yeah, it's been a long time. Yeah, it's not today, the FOMC. No. We'll see.
Thank you.
We're not in a rush.
Thank you. You're
welcome.
Thank you.
Hello, Joel.
You're welcome.
$4.99 from Joel Pancheva. Illy, congrats on new ATH. Woke up late today.
Well, much love to you. Thank you for that. Thank you. Congrats to you, too, on the all-time high. You got to get up early, Joel. You got to wake up and have your morning coffee with us, okay? Sheesh. Yeah, it's thirsty. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, because your PFP isn't the same. He doesn't know why his name's changed. You got to go into settings and figure that out. But hi, Thirsty. Thank you for the $4.99. Much love to you. Airwolf said, yeah, not today. David G, minutes release? Maybe. FOMC, let's look up minutes. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I still don't see anything. We'll find out. I'm sure everyone will post it. And your pal will say, close the effing door. Just close the effing door. That was so funny, dude. Like, I will never forget that one. Zen Warrior, love and elevation to you, my friends. Paul said, touch new high and promptly sold off. Yeah, that's what happens when we hit all-time high. But listen, I'm not scared. I'm here. I'm ready. We're at 65.2. Again, we're trying with Bitcoin. We're down around 5%. I'm hoping. Where's my chart rate? You guys could see that. Okay. My hope is that we do not bearishly engulf this candle because, again, we hit that 69.3 earlier. Yesterday, we had the highest daily candle close ever. And now, again, we're kind of trending downwards, and we're only a few percent from this point that we're at now, only 2.8% away from meeting the opening of yesterday's candle. So I would just be aware. Of everything that's going on here. So if we hit, again, the 63.1, I would be very, very cautious. Very cautious. Unless it bounces down to this 36.1 and just freaking rips, which who knows? None of us have a crystal ball because we have a fresh red dot that's printed here on Market Cipher. It's going to rage back. That's my hope because it's been defending pretty well, but there has to be a pullback at some point. So, yeah, this definitely was expected to sell off. I'm not surprised, but I'm happy. Thirsty SEC figured it out. That's good. Word on the streets, we're going down to 59K, then pow, straight to the moon. Again, like that 63.1 from yesterday, but also that level, come on, dude. But also that level right here, where we were trying to hold that support at 61 right here, trying to hold that support. And then this 59.9 is a critical level as well. So I would just be aware. That's where you enter the golden zone. So we're still in the golden zone. Still looking good. And where we're defending really is not bad for the immense moves that we've been going through lately. SHIB has been ripping, dude, ripping. Down 10%, but gosh, like how you can't be greedy. You're up 200% in a week. Just taking off from this 940 and then woo. So yeah, like we're it's going to be okay. It doesn't really matter what happens again because it doesn't matter how much Bitcoin is. What matters is that you have money that belongs to you. That's what matters. Thirsty Aztec, thank you for the little $4.99 email. Ha 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 ha. I love that. Thank you. Yeah, Pepe Chris Enrique is ripping too. Pepe is down 8%, kind of going down with the rest of the market. But again, you can't be greedy. You're up 250%, dude. Like, gotta be grateful for where you're at. True, like the wee. It's true. It's true. It's true. But yeah, listen, guys, we're getting after it. We got 260 likes. Can we get 275? Can we pump it up?
You got to pump it up.
And another $5 super chat from Mr. Yee said, breaking news, Emma hits all-time high in my heart. How nice. Render, let's see. Let's go to Render. Render is sitting here and just pretty much in price discovery, how we were talking about yesterday. Again, like we had this $8.18. This was $8.24 was the high, which is basically $8.25 about, which is where we were at literally, what, a few days ago? We're kind of veering off that path, which again, if you're going to go up like 46% in a month, you got to be a little bit zesty. You got to be like, all right, you got to be prepared for a downturn, especially hitting highs. You might retrace. So I would look at that $6.15. That's basically what I can tell you. Joe, or Waco, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, said, hello, guys from El Salvador. Well, hola to you, my friend from El Salvador. Love El Salvador. Hope to make it out there one day. That would make my heart very warm and fuzzy. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Airwolf, Bitcoin will pump again after Europe closes in 40 minutes. We'll have to see. Listen, if, again, we go parabolic, if we are pumping to no end, I will be live. And I will be able to get after it with you guys. So I'm very happy that we are hitting all-time highs together. We freaking crushed this freaking stream. I cannot believe what we went through. We just watched a major pump and a major damp with Bitcoin. We do, again, have the Litecoin Summit. We have a lot going on. We also have subscriber count, which we gained a bunch of subscribers just now. 15,637. Can we get 3 more right now? Is it possible? 3 more for 15,640. I feel like we should have an even number heading out of here. No. Can we?
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
What's someone you think might like it too?
Bing bang.
If you don't subscribe, then
How dare you?
how dare you? You don't want Greta yelling at you. This woman will send the forces.
How dare you?
Bing bang.
Bing bong.
Oh, hell no.
One more, guys. We could do it. One more subscriber. You guys crazy. You guys crazy. Charles said, I'm zesty, as you should be. John Red, literally face melting rally incoming. Listen, man, I'm ready for the rally. I'm so here for Bitcoin. I'm so bullish on this space. We've been here at $15,000 Bitcoin is when we started this podcast, and we just freaking went off, dude. We went off. So I'm just telling you guys, you better be ready. You better be ready. John Zimmer, it's okay. Don't worry about SHIB. Listen, SHIB is a risky play, man. SHIB is a risky play. Where did you guys go? Where did you guys go? 3 more. Let's go. Pump it. You gonna pump it?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Bullish old pal said inbound Bitcoin SHIB bonk Pepe all-time highs. We're gonna have to see, man. All right, listen, guys, I'm excited. I think this is gonna be really awesome. I'm very bullish on the future. I'm very bullish on the space. I'm bullish on our likes because we have 268, almost 275. So make sure again you smash these likes, you share this out with friends. Hello, John Blueprints. Everyone, all right, let's go. Someone said if you don't want zero gains for 6 years, buy XRP. That's hilarious. That is so freaking funny. 2 more subscribers. Come on, guys. 2 more. I see you out there. I see you out there. Oh, someone got salty. It's okay. All right, guys. Oh, and there we go. People are coming into the channel. There we go. We're ticking up now. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for everything. I appreciate you. We're going to take care of some things at the household today. I have some things and people I have to talk to, people to see and such. So we're going to get after it. Again, if things go parabolic, I really will be back. I want to make sure we catch all of the beautiful things going on with Bitcoin. And I'm so grateful that we got to celebrate all-time highs together. That was absolutely insane. We celebrated such a historic moment with each other today. So thank you guys so much for that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting each other most of all, because this is a community. This is a family, and we cannot go through this journey alone. We are one big force. Shout out to Boo Man. Thank you again. I appreciate you. Have an amazing day, guys. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share this video out with friends so more people know what's going on in this space. Again, we are 2 subscribers away from 15,640 and a few likes away from 275. So thank you guys so much. We have been killing these streams. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Remember, do what you love, kids. Do what you love. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later today if we pump. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, share. And as always, what am I going to say? Say it in the chat. Let's see. What am I going to say in the chat? To stay zesty. Peace.